Yes, dear students, once again, very good morning to all of you. Students, today is the day for grammar. Today we will do chapter number 2 of our grammar book, that is the sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Sometimes we have group of words but it doesn't make complete sense, like you, me, shop, butter, cow. This is also group of some words. Whose mic is on?
Good
Dikshayani, Mayank, mute your mic, everybody. Yes.
morning to you. Good morning.
Again, Mayank, Kanish, mute your mic, everybody. Yes, dear students, I have given you the example of group of words like you, me, butter, cow, shop, pencil, eraser. This is also a group of words. But in meaning, this is not a sentence. It has separate meaning, but this is not a sentence. If I say, please give me a pen, he is my brother, he is my sister, this is also group of words, but it has meaning. Okay, so this is a sentence. If the group of words make complete sense, only then we can say that that group of word is a sentence. Otherwise, it is not a sentence. Okay, again, I am giving you the example like chair, cloth, day, wear, tree, pencil. These are also group of words. Group means these are more than one word. But is there any meaning? No. Each word has separate meaning, but if we combine them, no sense is there. Okay, that means this is not a sentence. But if I say, this is a big tree, my brother is very tall, this is also group of word, and it also has sense. It also makes sense. So this is a sentence. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Good morning, ma'am.
What is a sentence? The definition of sentence is clear or not?
Ma'am,
Raise your
clear.
hands. Raise your hands if the definition of sentence is clear to you. Rest of the students. Now raise your hands if you have any problem regarding the definition of a sentence. Now the students who have any queries regarding the definition of sentence, now they can raise their hands. Yes, Yashvi? Yashvi, do you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
say something? Is there any
No,
query
ma'am.
regarding the definition?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I am repeating. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Otherwise, it is not a sentence. Okay. Yes. Dear students, now look at the pictures given. First is, he is my brother. Second, a car has four wheels. Third, show me your book, please. Each of these group of words make complete sense. Each of them is a sentence. Now you should keep in your mind few things. The word in a sentence are placed in proper order. like subject, that means uh, the thing or the person we are talking about, then verb, then object. Okay, this is the proper formation, proper order. Subject plus verb, then object. Okay, like in the first sentence, he is my brother. In this sentence, we are talking about brother and we use here pronoun he for him. Okay, he is the subject here, is the verb, and my brother is the object. Second thing that you should keep in your mind that a sentence always begins with the capital letter. It always begins with the capital letter. Okay. And the third thing that you should keep in your mind that, Mayank, what are you doing? A sentence usually has a full stop, a question mark at the end. Okay. These three things you should keep in mind. Again, I am repeating. First one, the words in a sentence, they are placed in proper order. That means subject plus verb plus object. Then a sentence always begins with a capital letter. It never starts with a small letter. Third, there is always a punctuation mark. That means full stop, sign of exclamation, or question mark at the end. Okay. Next, look at exercise C. The following group of words do not make complete sense because the words in them are not in their proper order. Three examples are given. They are not the proper sentences because the words are not placed in proper order. Okay. Mayank, mute your mic. Yes, first one. Milk gives us cow the. The words are not in proper order. Second thing, this starts with a small letter F. Third thing, sorry, we are talking about the first sentence. Milk gives us cow the. This group of words starts with a small letter, not with capital letter. And third thing, there is no full stop or question mark or sign of exclamation at the end. So these three are not the complete, not the correct sentences. Okay. Is it clear? Mayank, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayank, mute your mic. Yes. Is it clear? Or is there any doubt?
मैम एक बार दोबारा समझा दो.
Which one?
Gives.
C part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen carefully. Here are three examples. Okay. And I have told you to keep in mind three things to identify a sentence. Okay. First thing that you should keep in your mind is that the words in a sentence, they are placed in proper order. Subject, verb, object. Second thing that you should keep in your mind is a sentence always starts with a capital letter. And third thing, a sentence has a full stop or question mark or sign of exclamation at the end. Okay. Now three examples are of these words. Second thing, this group of word starts with small letter, not with capital letter. You can see in the first sentence, it starts with M. Second sentence with the F, that is also small. And third sentence, it starts with letter S, which is also small. That means these are not the correct sentences. And there is no full stop, question mark, or sign of exclamation at the end. You can see there is no mark at the end of the sentence. That means these are not the correct sentences. These are only the group of words, but they are not making sense. Okay, is it clear? Who was there who has asked me to Pritish? Is it clear now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Have you any doubt? Or may I
No, ma'am.
continue?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay.
No doubt.
Okay,
No
okay.
doubt.
Okay,
No
stop,
doubt. No,
stop,
ma'am.
stop. Mute your mic. Mute your mic again. Dikshayani, Lavish, mute your mic. Yes. Next part. We cannot call them sentences because they do not make complete sense. We are talking about the sentences we have discussed. And the proper formation is given here. Yes, here milk gives us cow the. These are not in proper order. Now the cow gives us milk. This is a sentence. Look at this sentence. It starts with capital letter T. The words are in proper order. The cow is the subject. We are talking about the cow. Gives action word. Verb is there and then object. And at the last you can see a full stop also. That means this is a complete sentence. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Second one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
second
Yes.
one. For is good milk health. The correct formation is milk is good for health. Again, this sentence starts with capital letter M. Then verb is and then object. And you, at the last you can see full stop. Okay. Same in the third sentence. Okay. Now look at these group of words. Again, D part. In the morning, children are at the railway station. These are only the group of words. Okay. This is not a sentence. This group of words doesn't make any sense. Again, these are starting with small letter. There is no mark, mark of full stop or question mark at the end. So these are not the sentences. Again, few examples are given. He goes for a walk in the morning. It is a complete sentence. Starts with capital letter, then verb, then object, and at the last there is full stop. Second sentence, children are playing in the park. Starts with capital letter C, then are helping verb, and at the last there is full stop. She met me at the railway station. Again, it starts with capital letter S. Then met is the action word, means verb, and then object, and at the last there is full stop. Okay. Now it's your turn. Be तो
Ma'am,
which are no.
जो deep, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, जो deep part है,
Yes.
वो sentence नहीं है.
Yes, please repeat.
Ma'am, जो deep part है, वो sentence नहीं है.
First three examples. In the morning, children are at the railway station. This group of word doesn't make any sense. In the morning, what is the sense? This is incomplete. Children are at the railway station. These all are starting with small letters. There is no question mark or full stop at the end. So these are not the sentences. Again, three examples are given. He goes for a walk in the morning. This is a complete sentence. Yes, who is there? Yes, yes, Kanish.
मैम सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट का कैसे पता चलेगा?
Subject we are talking about. That means the thing or the person we are talking about. Like he goes. Who? We are talking about a male member. Maybe he is boy or maybe an old person or young person. Okay. In the second sentence, children. We are talking about children. Okay. Like the cow gives us milk. Now we are talking about the cow. The person or the thing we are talking about, that is called the subject.
और jet.
After the verb, rest of the part is object. After the verb, that is action word. It may be helping verb only, is, am, are, was, were, or main action word is there. Maybe there. Like sleep. Your actions like cry, laugh, weep, standing, sitting, these all are action words. Okay. First,
मैम ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं
subject.
समझ आती.
After the verb, the rest of the part after the verb. First subject, then verb, and rest of the part of a sentence is called a object. Okay.
Okay.
Then first subject plus verb and rest of the part of a sentence, that is object. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
मैम मेरी
ma'am.
मम्मी आपसे बात करना चाहती है.
Yes, who's there? After the class, you may contact on my personal number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now, E part, put a tick against those group of words which are sentences and a cross against. First is come in. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Ma'am,
is the yes,
ठीक
because
आएगा.
there is no subject, but it makes the complete sense. Come in. It starts with capital letter and at the last there is full stop. And it makes complete sense also. Come in. Second one, she is reading a book. Is this a sentence? Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am.
She is reading a book. Is it a sentence or only group of words?
Yes. Ma'am, sentence.
But we have to mark here. Tick. Yes, very good. This is a complete sentence. Very good. Third one, it is. It is. Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
is it a complete sentence? It is.
No, ma'am.
Is it meaningful? No. If there is, it is a big ball. If the sentence was like that, then it will be a complete, correct sentence. Okay. But only this part is meaningless. Then fourth one, there is no sugar in this tea. There is no sugar in this tea. Yes, Shaurya.
मैं बताऊं.
No, no, Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
There
ma'am.
is no sugar. Means tick or cross.
Ma'am, tick.
What is the meaning of yes, ma'am? Means I have to
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
tick. Okay. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next is with a bat.
Ma'am, मैं
With a
बताऊं.
bat. Saksham.
Cross.
Yes. Next is the boy. The boys are.
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं.
Only raise your hands. No one will shout. Only raise your hands and mute your mic. Rihanna,
Yes, ma'am.
the boys are.
Ma'am, cross.
Yes, very good. Next, bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. Now it's Akshit. It's your turn. Bring a glass of water.
Ma'am,
Yes. This group of words makes a sense. Next, talking is she loudly.
ma'am,
Talking is she loudly. Yes, Devansh.
ma'am, cross.
Very good. Dear students, rest of the part you have to do yourself. Then you tally the part with the PDF you get today. Okay. Do this part yourself, then tally it with the PDF that you will get in the afternoon. Okay. You can do this part yourself. Can you do this part yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Stop.
Yes,
Stop.
ma'am.
Stop. Yes. Yes.
ma'am.
Saurabh, mute your mic. Yes. Who is there?
Yes, ma'am. cross कैसे आया?
Yes, please. Talking. This is the verb. Talking is she loudly. Subject is at the third number. It should be at the first. She should come first. She is talking loudly. That is the meaningful sense.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
We are talking about a girl. She. It should come first. Then verb. Helping verb is then main verb talking and then object loudly. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now next part. F part. Rewrite the following group of words as sentences. Begin each sentence with the capital letter. Put a full stop at the end of each sentence. These words are not in a proper order. You have to arrange them in proper order. Okay. Colors. Rainbow has the 7. Colors. Stop. It's not your turn. Colors rainbow has the 7. We are talking about rainbow. So it should come first. The rainbow, then verb has, then object. 7 colors. The rainbow has 7 colors. You should keep in mind that this group of words make complete sense. Okay. Second sentence. Who will do? Who will try to arrange them? Sorry, mute your mic. And you should say, may I? Instead of मैं बताऊं. You should always say, may I? Yes. Second sentence, it's for... Who will do that? Aditi. Aditi Goswami. It's your turn. Second sentence. These names, colors tell the 7 me of.
Tell me the names of these 7 colors.
Tell me the names of these 7 colors. Yes. Here T should be capital and there should be a full stop at the end. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Third, Is night. Yes, Lavish. Is there any problem? Yes, third sentence. Is night the dark very?
मैम मैं ऑप्शन वाला पहले आ गया.
Yes.
May I tell?
We are talking about myself.
May I tell?
Okay.
May I
Tell me.
May I tell? May I tell? May I tell?
Yes.
May I tell?
Say may I tell will not get the turn.
मैम ऑप्शन वर्ड तो
You
पहले आ
will
गया. मैम टेल मी.
wait. Who is here?
मैम ऑप्शन वर्ड तो पहले आ गया.
Who is there? Dipanshu. Dipanshu is there?
मैम I am courage.
Kanishk?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. In the second sentence, we are talking about myself. Tell me. Okay. And me never came at the starting. Tell me the names of these sentences. Here, no verb is there, but even then, this is a sentence, meaningful sentence. Like we have done in the first sentence of E part. Come in. This also starts with action word. There is no subject. Then how it is how it is a sentence? Because it makes complete sense. Come in. When you ask, may I come in, ma'am? We always say, yes, come in. This makes complete sense. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, okay. Okay ma'am.
Third one is
Okay, ma'am.
is night the dark very?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Is night the dark very?
Ma'am, may
I
I
said
tell?
who will say may I tell will not get the turn. Who will say may I tell will not get the turn. I can see your raised hands on the screen. Only raise your hands.
मैं only resume किया.
Yes, third Pragati.
Ma'am, the night is very dark.
Yes, here we are talking about the night. And here we have also helping verb is. Then object very dark. The night is very dark. Okay. Next, afraid am of I not darkness.
जी, ma'am, I tell?
Yes, Kanishk. Afraid am of I not darkness.
Ma'am, I am not
I is the
afraid.
subject here. Here I is the subject. Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
yes. Then yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Continue.
afraid. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Afraid.
I am afraid.
I am not. Not is also there. I am not afraid.
Ma'am,
Then
okay.
tell me the complete sentence. I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
Yes.
Darkness.
Of darkness. We have to use all the words given above. Not even a single word we have to left. Not even a single word should be left. Okay? We have to use all the words given like afraid, am, of, I, not. First you missed not, then you missed of also. Okay? When you make the sentence, tally the words also with the given words. Okay? No word should be left. Okay, Kanishk?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, was kind a gentle Cinderella and girl. Was kind a gentle Cinderella and girl. Tanisha?
Ma'am, Cinderella was kind and gentle girl.
Yes, we are talking about Cinderella. So Cinderella is the subject here. Then was. Then two qualities of Cinderella are given, kind and gentle. You can say Cinderella was gentle and kind girl. You can also say Cinderella was kind and gentle. Both are correct. Okay. You can take gentle after was and kind also. Sentence may be like this: Cinderella was gentle and kind, and it may be like this also: Cinderella was kind and gentle. No problem is there. Both are correct. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
sisters mean her were lazy and. Yes,
Ma'am,
this
I
is.
tell.
Yes, whose turn is left? Pragati, you got your turn? Pragati, Pritesh, Ganesh, Shreya, Dikshayani? Dikshayani, yes.
Yes.
Arrange these words in proper manner. Sisters mean her were lazy and.
Sister lazy. Sister lazy
What is
man
the
had
subject here? We are talking about her sisters.
her
So this,
sister
yes.
lazy.
Then
Her
were. Her sisters were,
lazy and
yes,
and
yes, 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 lazy and mean. Okay. Mean and lazy or lazy and mean. Both are correct. Okay.
yes,
Next, seventh one. Who has not got the turn? Yes, Saurabh, it's your turn. Do Cinderella cooking had all cleaning and to the. Do Cinderella cooking had all cleaning and to the. Saurabh. Now